Sorry, the time was up for 10 minutes. So what would be the answer here then? What we are going to do, both sides divided by 86,000. I don't have a space. Please do it yourself. Then we will take logarithm to find n. And according to my calculation, n is equal to 11.41 years. I'm not going to round it. Just leave your answer as it is. But if you like to round it, do not round it to 11. It's going to be 12 years, right? If you round it to 11 years, it won't go below 20,000. It has to be 12 years. Okay, the next question now. Let's have a look at the next question. Calculate the book value of 8,600 photocopier with a scrap value of $150 if it has an expected life 500,000 photocopies and is being used 64,000 times. So this is a unit cost calculation, unit cost depreciation. It can't be the reducing balance depreciation because we calculate according to number of photocopies. So unit is used here. Then how we are going to answer? Now your photocopier is $8,900 and useful life, the scrap value $150. And useful life is 500,000 photocopies. So 500,000 photocopies. First of all, how much is the difference? 8,900, how much it depreciated? Minus 150. So it depreciated 8,900 minus 150, $8,750. And this depreciation is a result of 500,000 photocopies. So I will find out how much one photocopy costs. If I divide into 500,000, it means that when you make one copy, you are going to lose $0.0175 per copy. It will depreciate, the value of the copier will depreciate $0.0175 per copy. Now the question is, calculate the book value if you copy 64,000 times. One time you copy, you lose this much, 64,000 times. Then I will multiply the value. 64,000 times 0.0175 is equal to times 64,000, $1,120. So you are going to lose $1,120. Then what will be the book value? 8,900 minus 1,120. $7,780. When you make 64,000 times photocopy, then the book value will be $7,780. Again, from the initial value to the scrap value, you use the copier 500,000 times. You made photocopies. So total depreciation is 8,750. You made 500,000 copies. It means that per copy, the machine loses value of this much. And you use 64,000 times, then totally it will lose this much, and the book value will be that much. Okay, now let's move to the other question. Other questions. Yes. All right. Now, question number 4. An industrial steam cleaner costs $3,200 with diminishing value at 15% per annum. Calculate the amount of depreciation during the first year. Now, did they mention anything here about flat rate? No. Can it be as used? No. Then we are going to use reducing balance depreciation. It costs 3,200, 15% depreciation rate. So it's going to be the new value will be amount of depreciation during the first year, amount of depreciation. Let's find out the book value after a year. 15%. 1 minus 15 over 100. It's going to be only 1 year. So 3,200 times 0.85. That makes 2,720. Is this the question? Are they asking the book value? No, they are not asking the book value. Amount of depreciation. So this is going to be 3,200 minus 2,720 minus 3,200. It's going to be $480. That's the amount of depreciation. Number B. the amount of depreciation after 8 years and express this amount as a percentage of the purchase price. So then I will find the book value after 8 years, 3,200, 1 minus 15 over 100 to the power of 8. So that makes 3,200 times 0.85 to the power of 8. So that makes 871.97. Okay, so what is the amount of depreciation? Minus 871.97 minus 3,200. So that makes 2,328.03. That is the amount of depreciation. They are asking us to convert this amount based on the purchase price as a percentage, write it as a percentage. So what will I do? 2,328.03 divided by, what is the base price? 3,200 times 100. So divided by 3,200 times 100, the result will be 72.75%. 72.75%. So it means that this cleaner, steam cleaner, lost 72.75% of its value in 8 years. All right, let's look at question number 5. A machine cost 56,000 when new and had an estimated trade value of 4,000 and useful life 15,000 operating hours. Be careful, this is unit cost, isn't it? 16,000 operating hours. Per hour it loses value. Unit cost depreciation, calculate. So how do we calculate how much it loses value per unit? So 56,000 is the initial price, scrap value is 4,000. So how much it depreciated? 52,000. It depreciated 52,000 in 16,000 operating hours. So I will divide it to 16,000. 52 divided by 16. That makes $3.25 per hour. It loses value. The machine book value after it has been operating 7,200 hours. If 1 hour it loses $3.25, so 3.25 times 7,200 times 7,200. So it will lose 23,400 kina of its value. So what is the book value then? 56,000. It will lose $23,400 of its value minus 56,000. That makes $32,600. The book value. Question number 6. Find the depreciation of an item which says purchase price 2,600, flat rate depreciation at 20% for 2 years. Find the depreciation of an item. What is the total amount of depreciation? If 2,600 initial price, flat rate depreciation at 20%. So how much it's going to depreciate? 20% of 2,600. We can eliminate zeros here. That makes $520. It depreciates per year. In 2 years, how much? Times 2, it's going to depreciate 1,040. They are asking find the depreciation. They are not asking book value. Find the depreciation of an item. So it's going to depreciate 1,400. Now, for the flat rate depreciation, what will be the graph? All right, this is, let's say, time, and this is the book value. Since it is depreciated by same amount every year, that's going to be a straight line depreciation. So that's going to be the graph. For what is it? For flat rate and for reducing balance depreciation. So if we say that this is time, and if you say that this is book value, so what will be the graph? The graph will be something like this. Opposite of yes. And the last one, unit cost. The unit cost 2, it reduced by the same amount. So flat rate and unit cost will be the same graph because it depreciates same amount